morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader. This is Marie. Let's see what opportunity we find in this market. This is a brand new week. It's a Monday, very nice Monday. For sure, this week is gonna be another short week. We have, if I'm not mistaken, it's Thursday. The market's gonna be closed due to the funeral of Carter, the President Carter. Jimmy Carter. So yeah. So Marie, how are you doing today? What are you up to?
Hey, I'm doing great. Holy cannoli, cold day today.
Yeah,
But
-16.
hey, we are winter. It's great for the rink. Our rink is looking spectacular.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Incredible. So
And then when we're looking at the market, and what about you? How was your weekend? How are you doing this morning, David?
pretty good, pretty good. It was like I have some visitors, so from Dominican Republic. So we have fun with them, and that was very nice. So yeah, a lot of
like
family
that.
time. So
I
that was
like
good.
that.
Not much work done, but I guess that's gonna be
Well,
that's part of the
for
life.
the soul, right?
Yeah, for the soul,
So I
yeah.
like that.
So yeah.
Great job.
Yeah, were you saying that the markets, like I see a bunch of new names.
A bunch of
this
new
is updating
names.
now, so we need to wait a bit for the watch
It's a
list
bunch
to
of
come
new
back in there. But
names. I
yeah.
agree, but also it seems very, very green. So we've got a very green market today, and we will see what's going to happen at the open. But did you want to look at SPY and what SPY is up to right now?
Yeah, SPY is I was just looking at it and like very strong, incredible strong. Like I mean, is it gonna hit the 600 back this week? Well, probably. It's looking like if he wants to do that. Yeah.
Short bid as well, so definitely the offer is longer. And when we're looking at the tape, and like you said, it's wow, holding the VWAP, it's way above the 200.
Yeah, it's a very nice trend.
It's
toward the
really,
upside.
really nice, yes, and really good volume to the buyers. So I like what we're seeing here, but like you say, there could be a rebalance and a pullback, right?
Today I didn't say that. So
No, that's true. Okay,
I agree
you
with
know
that,
what?
but today I didn't say that. So let's
There
see.
you go. I say it for you.
Okay, good. Yeah, definitely gonna be very open-minded toward what the market wants to do. Like I mean, it's by, as I say, incredible, strong. I don't know, like how sustainable this is gonna be, but hey, let's believe in the move until the move prove you that it's another thing.
Absolutely. Well, look,
So-
if you're looking at the PCL, and we're looking at PCL of Friday, it's oh my God, it's almost 592,
Yeah.
right on the dot almost. So, and it definitely escaped from there. So, is it a possibility that he retests the PCL? Yes, but when we're looking at what's happening there, very strong. I agree with you.
Yeah.
So, did we want to look at what's happening in the market?
So today, like because your watch list is like maybe I just need to close this. Let's see. Let's
Oh, there we go.
restart this. Let's bring it back up. I think it's gonna go back up in its normal position.
So when we're looking,
Yes, there we go. So
there we go. Good job, as usual.
yeah, we have a bunch of low cap stock popping up.
Yes,
Um,
but I don't see it there, but it is number one here. It was there because I took it from there, and that was RR.
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 That's Richard Robotics. Yeah, like it's called Rich Tech Robotics. So Class B common stock. So there was some news. Like I was reading some news about Boston Dynamic, about laying off a bunch of employees because in the comments they say it was a cash burner. So, but what do they mean by that? Do they like actually replace them by robots? Not necessarily, but
Yeah,
yeah, I
robotics.
guess that robotic company is trading in sentiment of whatever was the news on Boston Dynamic, but I don't know. I'm speculating. Basically,
Okay.
I see what you mean. Like this thing is trading at this point. Is trading actually at like
Three.
23 with 200,000
Mm-hmm.
million shares. So
Yeah,
looking very
it
good actually.
almost triples Nvidia, right? So, yeah. So when we're looking at the tape,
What is the
we
float on that?
I don't. I'm not.
Yeah, we're just gonna check it here. Yeah, the float is oof. It's almost 100. Like the float in this is 33 million shares. So
In the short float, 6.6. Whew.
volatility is gonna be crazy on that one.
Oh, no kidding. So when we're looking at the tape, look at 469 in the bid. We've got 469 that's got 153. But then we've got 470 that's got 273. 460, 145, and plus 128. So it's almost a 300 lot. And then 450.
Yeah, and those levels are all there. Like
Yeah.
I mean, all very close.
Really, really close. And it goes to the largest at 380.
Sorry. Yeah, it's gonna be holding those. Like basically, I just gonna do this. Line
So
here.
Friday
It's about
it
like
was trading, and that's why that we've got a big level there. That we've got a big position at 380, and we're thinking, well, no, but 380 was where it was trading Friday with the PCL of 4.1, $4.10. So is it possible? Absolutely possible
yeah,
to
definitely.
go back there to 250. I'm not sure. You know, the $4 400 is quite like 300. Like I said, it's quite large. But the offer is quite nice as well. So, offer we've got quite nice stack actually that just continues.
540.
550 is got a 137, 552, 237, 579, and 580. It's a double shield, both at around 200. Then there's the
540 have a 110 to just
540. Where do I have?
in ARCA.
Nope.
Yeah, I have one thing in ARCA.
540?
Yes.
Nope. Nothing.
Okay, so
So 510.
yeah.
And when you're looking at pre-market, it wicked this.
No, 510, 540.
Yeah, 540. Yeah, that's what I. 540? No, I don't have 540.
Okay.
Nothing. I've
Understood.
got 22 on 540. So you've got a deeper. And this morning, it actually wicked it at pre-market at the 6. Right? At 607.
Mm-hmm.
So right now is trading under the VWAP, but above the 200. I'd be interested in the long for sure at the 4, but it's not clear that I want to at 450. What do you see, Davey?
Yeah, it's definitely it has a nice gap up. Like this basically gap up like 20%. Like right now I have gave away already a lot. It's at 20.5% up. So some news is for sure some news were on this one. But yeah, like let's say there is a clear trend line toward the downside. So if it clears that line and in trade above, I will be considering maybe going long in this. But because of the price, because of the sizes that I see at the offer, I am not trusting the long from the good to go. Like remember that this is only 33 million share. This thing
There
is gonna
could be
volatility is gonna be
volatility, yeah.
very crazy at the open.
Could be very, very
So,
volatile. I agree.
Yeah. So for now, I would say yeah, maybe a long, as long as he hold 470 something, and then we will see where it wants to really pop out.
I like that.
So next will be
Nvidia.
Nvidia. Did you see the price on Nvidia?
Oof.
We're right there. Like Nvidia, Was trading, yes, still trading at 148. So beautiful chart on Nvidia. That's for sure. We like if this is a B, C, D. Yeah, but yeah, looking strong. Like if I'm not saying that this is the pattern. It just looked like like this is like a step on a ladder. So like very clean trend toward the upside.
Okay.
So yeah, let's see what it wants
stepper.
to do. Yeah,
Okay.
but because we know that it had trouble in the past at the 150, like 149 with 60 and 149 with 80 were very reject like they reject those prices with quite violent tape. So I'm not saying that it will do the same today, but it's looking bullish to me. Maybe it's just gonna be interesting to see what will happen in there.
Well,
So
to your bullish comment, Davey. So when we're looking at the tape, so the tape we've got, as you said, the 148 that's very large. Actually, it's actually driving right to there. We're going to see the 148 print pretty soon. So it's almost 200 lot.
hmm
And then though, when we're looking at the largest one, it's actually a 145. So 145, let me see that lot again. Where are you? 716. So 145 is quite ginormous, but 148 just came through and there's a beautiful bounce from there.
how much do you have for 45? 700.
716.
And there is 338 at 46. So 46
Yeah, 46. I don't have that
and
amount.
45.
But 45 is at 716. When we're looking when we're looking at the tapes, definitely the bid is quite short compared to the offer. For mine, anyways. You probably have a different depthness, Davey. But then we've got to the offer a large position at 149 at 327, plus the other tape that's 162. So that's close to 500. But the largest one, you've got 150, that's 684.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going really that's the first time we see that in a very long time. Really big orders past the 150. Remember, 150 usually is the bigger one?
Yeah.
But then we've got a huge one that's almost 600 at 155. So to your comment, does this look bullish? And then we've got a huge one again, 400 over 400 lot at 160, 200 lot almost at 163, and 170 we've got a 148 lot. So, what do you think?
Yeah, like
I like it long at 148.
yeah, definitely long. Like the 148, maybe I will miss that trade, but like if it's 148 the entry, I'm gonna miss it because like it seems to be too obvious to me. So
Okay.
like I guess with this extension at the open, where we are trading really high, I think we're gonna break the VWAP and like toward the downside, and then when we break it, I will be fishing that entry. Probably somewhere between 147 and 146.
Okay.
Like right now, I have nothing at the 147 because I didn't look at. Like we have 50 lot in ARCA, and we have we have 337 lot on
Okay. I don't
Yeah.
know.
So yeah, like I thought that was at 46, but like right now I cannot see 46. So yeah, and then there is a point that I want to do. Like, good morning, Zach.
Good morning, Zach.
How are you doing?
You good, you guys?
Good.
Very good. Thank
Yeah.
you.
So basically, like what I was saying here, like I want to observe, like you see right now, like we are printing 148, 148, 148, and time after time we are printing 148, and I don't see those sellers disappearing. Like I don't see the offer getting a little bit more lean. So that's something I'm gonna be observing at some point today. Basically, like
And you can put that there just to.
yeah, for sure. Yeah.
you.
But yeah, definitely alone. But I will expect it to pull back at the open.
Okay. But you say 148 is too obvious, so you'd like to see a pullback probably to
Like 147 looks very attractive to me.
okay. But not many people there. But you're right.
Yeah, like what 300 lot, 300.
Okay. Oh, that's true. 300
Yeah.
is quite healthy for Nvidia, right?
I actually gonna drop off an order right away at the 147. So I'm gonna drop off an order at 147, and his order is in. So yeah, let's see what it wants to do there. So I think yeah, let's see. Yeah, but definitely looking bullish for Nvidia. If
Okay.
it's not at 47, I will try to not favor to not take any short on it
Okay.
until we really hit the wire. So yeah, what about you? You look bullish too, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
I'm not as the pullback may not be as dramatic as you for me. I might reload, take a small position. We'll see. We still have time. So yeah, it does look very bullish. That
Nice.
tape, we have not seen a tape like that in a long time.
Yeah, yeah. So, Nvidia is active again. That's good. So like the selling was passive, so the buying is I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing at 170 very soon.
I like that.
So yeah, next one.
Okay, so the next one that we've got is QSI. So QSI, we've got different levels. So the tape is very, very crowded. We crowded on both sides. But if we're looking at the bid, we've got four that's quite healthy, $4, quite healthy at 250. And then we've got 385 at 231. We've got 375. That is the biggest position at over 500 on both tapes when you accumulate both tapes. So 375, very nice. I like that 375. 375 was traded on Friday. But then when we look at the offer, again, crowded tape, but we're looking at 415 at 225. 420. So I like the fact that they're very close. 420 is 158. Stack to 234 at 430 at 234. 435 133. 443 at $4.43 at 120. 450 at 237. The biggest one being at $5 at almost 400. So I like this one, the way that it looks and how the tape is crowded, like the volume. And I would like to consider along at 375. And actually, I'll just take a little bit of the position. 375 is far though.
So how is that 380 looking for you? Like 382, 380?
Let me see, 380.
Like, you see it bounced from there from a little bit above. Like you said, the order I have is at 382, like 177. But like I mean, yeah, it's,
Yep, 380, yeah, because 375, 380, you've got what?
177 lot behind it.
Oh my God, what's wrong with me? 375, 177.
No, if you yeah, sorry, my bad.
Yeah,
110 at 382.
Yeah,
110.
382, I've got the 110. 375 with both tapes is actually over 500. So that's the level that I'm looking at.
Okay.
Okay. T is next. AT&T. Not much on the tape.
Yeah, if that doesn't just like I don't know if it's that we don't have data for the hour, like that it just doesn't work. Yeah.
And it's very range. When we're looking at it, it's in a tight range for sure. We're looking at 22.93 as a top, and then we're looking at 22.59 as a bottom, so a range of not interested.
Yeah, it's like I think we talked about this last week about how like the up and down on this, like it just
very rangy. Okay.
might be setting up for a nice move to the hope side, but like it's not there yet. So,
I agree.
what will
I
be
like
next?
that. The next one is Tesla.
Tesla back to 400 and 422. I look at it. I think it was at what time? It was like 410, and I thought it was today.
And look at this. These are the levels
Yeah,
that we
but it
drew.
was a
I did
410.
not touch anything, Davey. These are levels that we drew last week. Did not touch anything. And look at that, interacting beautifully with them. The 420, 34, 420, still very respectable. Now, because it was, if we're looking at pre-market this morning, that level at 420 was actually a resistance, now acting as a support. Does it look bullish? Yes. Do we have a whole? The only difference is that when we're looking at the tape, the biggest positions that we have is to the bid, and it's quite down. So we're looking at 410 at 115. That's one of the biggest position. So 410 at the biggest position. Is it going to rebalance right now? It looks quite bullish, really popping off of that level of 420.
Yeah, I see that. It's like looking at strong as well. Like very nice that you managed to put the like those $30 up, $40 up from previous week. So yeah, looking very bullish to me too. Maybe the 420 seems to be like a very relevant level. 420.
Very much.
We
So.
have only a couple lots here. Like we have 18 lots on iNet. We have nothing on ARCA. So, but that tape doesn't communicate normally that much. Like I mean, it's just like we have 424. So we're gonna be clearing 24 pretty much now. So I'm just gonna mark it there because it is important. But yeah, definitely looking very bullish. Um, let's say if we say 420. Yeah, to me that will be a long too. So
I like that.
it's actually it seems to be having less intention than Nvidia in the pullback. So let's see. I don't know if you got the 418, but Nvidia is trading okay-ish at that 418. So we might
At
have
what?
uh,
Nvidia?
yeah, Nvidia. You see,
You said 480?
like it bounced quite well for the. Oh my bad, it's 148.
Okay.
Yeah, at 148.
That makes sense,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, my bad.
Oh no.
148. Nvidia bounced quite well as you were expecting. So yeah,
I like that.
yeah. Which will be next for you?
Okay, QBTS. So QBTS, we see that the pre-market, and it's quite a large position at 9. So it pulled back at 9 pre-market. Actually 9, when we're looking at 9, it was traded, it's actually below the PCL. That's the PCL being at 914. So we're looking at 9 having a 230 lot, but 912 has a 262. And then we've got another one that's 890 that's got 252. So yes, it did pop up a lot today, but I mean, it did pop up this morning, pre-market, but it seems right now that the tape seems to be a little bit heavier, not by much, but a little bit heavier to the bid. When we're looking to the offer, yep. So we've got a 970 that's got 102, and 10 being the biggest position. That's 350 when we're considering both tape. So that seems like it wants to pull back a little bit this morning. What do you see, Davey?
Yeah, it's yeah, this action here, like that 412, 410.
What?
Like here, this trading here is around 412 and 400 912 and 910. Sorry, my bad. I did that again.
You've got the 400
Yeah,
in your mind.
I
That is
stay with
important.
this in the 400.
This is
So
important.
it's
You
912.
need to
My
trade
bad.
it.
912 and 910. Is the coffee is not as strong today, you know? So, but yeah, 912 and 910 around this price. This is like a clear channel for me here, like pretty much. And we are trading like oops, that wrong line. So around there. So we keep doing this bounce here. So Do I think it's gonna break down? Doesn't looks like it's looking like a long to me too. But yeah, I am not interested to trade in this name for now.
Okay.
But to me, it's looking like a long.
Okay, so we've got 15 seconds.
Okay, let's look back at SPY. Yeah, SPY really it took a snap while we were talking here. Like if you see that flush here,
But it popped
so
back.
it pop up. But yeah, let's see if at the open it's gonna be holding that view up.
Enjoy.
Everybody have fun. Zach, enjoy. Keep us posted.
Yeah, good luck, guys.
Get lucky
Thank you, you
too.
too. Yeah, Nvidia, I have an order, but like as I say, I don't want to get killed. I don't want to chase it. That's the word to say. I don't want to chase.
I like that. So I took a position. It wasn't quite the 4 that I wanted, a price of 407 in QSI. It wasn't a big position, but I'm hoping. There we go. Okay. So we are going to be disciplined.
That was very,
Here comes the money,
very nice.
Thank you. I'm breaking even. We'll see what's going to
That was
happen.
Nvidia,
No, QSI.
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 Yeah, very nice.
Thank you.
So
So now, took profit to the top.
Spy.
I'm breaking even. We'll see what's going to happen. It might get me out, but that's okay. It was a good trade. There we go.
nice. Yeah, one of the things I want to do is to not chase it. So that's why I say like Nvidia. I am missing Nvidia, I know, but I don't like. I have been trading those prices before, and I should be jumping on it, but unless I get something, at least the view up, I am not jumping on it. Let's see, Nvidia. Yeah, look at how like 48.90, 48.80. They until we go down like 48. Like let's see, we're gonna be printing 48.80 very soon. Okay, there we go.
So market is, well, market.
Let's take a
SPY.
little bite. Yeah, no, I don't want to take a little bite, as I say. Okay, wait for it. Okay, follow your plan. This is crazy. Nvidia is going like insane. So I guess.
So I
it's-
took Nvidia at 48.80.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
Okay, so QSI, there we go, still doing well. Really printing on QSI. So
QSI.
Nvidia got me out.
Zach, do you have any trade?
I got in long at on TLPR. It stepped me out before pushing up, and now it's pulling back down.
Yeah, okay, let's see. Thank you for mentioning that. Like, we kind of ignore PLTR.
It's true, right? We didn't see it this morning. It wasn't in the volume profile.
79.
Like it's bouncing right off my range. That is also the bottom of the pre-market.
Understood. So. Wow, Nvidia is still popping up. That turbine is gonna make a lot of noise.
I'm just monitoring right now, QSI, just to see where my second profit partial will be.
miss Nvidia. Go for it.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
I miss my fill in Nvidia. And PLTR, sorry. Let's see. I'm gonna go this way, and I'm gonna try to add. Maybe no, it won't offer the adding. Maybe this is looking way different than the rest of the market. So yeah, that should be okay. If he goes to 79, I want to add at 79. So, but I don't think we're gonna get there.
You don't think so?
On PLTR, no.
Okay.
Nvidia is like, just in case if you do have Nvidia. Of course, I am looking long on Nvidia, but I am concerned about the volume that was put in that candle.
I agreed. Right? A lot of red there.
Oh man, like it's good. Like the idea, I was right in both idea, but missed the entry. Like need to be a little bit more diligent. Well, I missed both the entry. Like I got a good PLTR right now, but yeah, let's see. That PLTR is, I don't know why, but it's tanking a little bit too much. Nvidia is clearing up the 149.60 pretty much now. So Nvidia,
We still have SPY interacting within the range, and it's actually now interacting with the VWAP and opening. Nvidia might be offering you your entry.
like I know this is kind of auto suicide maybe, but like
A suicide.
like Nvidia, I'm gonna go counter. Yeah, I took a little short on Nvidia right there. If he goes to 49.60, I actually, let's see if I can do that. Just this is like at 60, I would like to add instead of getting out. So this Nvidia trade is more like a scalp trade. I will scalp toward the VWAP, let's say. Like, why would I do that? Because the top is quite heavy right there. Right now it's quite heavy, and like, let's see, we are hitting 172 with 80, 172 with 80, like 148. That's, I was saying, the sizes instead of the price. So it's 148.80, 148.80. 148.80. We are not getting there, and when we get there, the seller is a bit, let's see, no, they get more aggressive. So when that happens, we might be picked to go a little bit lower for a little bit. And yeah, that's what it's doing right now. So let's see. We are not, maybe we are not holding that price. It's insane. Like the volume that he have put on top of there. I guess everybody was convinced, or is convinced, that today is the day that this name is gonna go 152. But come on, like as I say, it's a little trade, just scalping. So PLTR, you see, I forgot something important this weekend. So PLTR, we're gonna take a little bit there, and we're gonna ring the bell.
Nice.
And
Here comes the money, 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 money.
I just tanked 20 cents right after I did it. It's like, yeah, let's see. So Nvidia, yeah, Nvidia, come on my guy, what are you, like, why do I need to be against that trade? Well, I don't need to. Why do I want to be against the trend? Because the top makes sense. So, but have it.
But does it make sense today? Tesla's really pulling back.
Yeah, but like, don't get me wrong. Like, I look at SPY before I did that. And SPY for now, yes, it's clearing up the VWAP. But yeah. Let's see. This is 97.20. Yeah. Nvidia is doing it right now. So. So let's say, what is my stop loss? Yeah, I want to see it printing 140, 149.80. That's the price I want to see. 149.80, 88 right now maybe. My stop loss is 149.89. The strength that these things put in. Look at that. Look at that. It's like the map is crazy. So I'm not adding because this is not the tray to add.
No?
No, that's not like if I add there, it's like it's totally against my will. Like, as I say, I shorted with the intention of looking at it going toward the VWAP, and yeah, it's holding so good on top of there, so it's PLTR coming all the way up. But that's just an opportunity for me to add on that PLTR. No PLTR. This is a different story. This is not Nvidia.
So market now is pushing through
Oh, I didn't act fast enough.
the top.
That was a mistake. So how many shares do I have? Yeah, I need to add more. There is a execution mistake on the PLTR. So okay, now we should be good. Is it right?
Wow,
Yeah,
eh?
it is
PLTR is really nice there.
Yeah, like I did a hotkey mistake there. Didn't cost me nothing. It's just like I reversed. Like I cover everything by mistake at the open because I didn't move
Okay.
the order fast enough. Like now we have Nvidia. That's what we are talking about. Come on, Nvidia, you can go lower. I know you don't belong lower. I'm just saying you need to pull back a bit. Offer that pull back to people. They need to go back in the long. The lady here. Okay. Zach, do you have anything?
Not for now.
Not for now.
Just everything.
Okay.
I placed order and I didn't get the
Okay.
of them.
Understood.
I missed the QBTS bounce.
Mm.
Like I had an order.
Wasn't
when it did
that
the wick-
wonderful, eh?
When it did the week, I had an order.
Oh!
The next week to touch it, and yeah, I didn't touch it.
Oh, wow. Nvidia is really struggling, eh?
Yeah, it's but like is that it's insane the volume. Like he put in just in that candle there at the 149.20, 149.10. Like the volume in there is about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 times the volume transacted today. So that's too heavy. It's definitely too heavy.
The 149 is going through.
Okay, so the VWAP is my target, and now like that VWAP is like what? It's like 20 cents. So that is even half a negative. There we go. That PLTR, yeah, it's a very nice PLTR. Like now I add a little bit better in the downside. So we already. So Nvidia, I don't want to sleep on. Like I mean, I know. Like look at that VWAP snap. So.
Spy
We say
pushing.
this is a beautiful tape, my guy. So I think I'm playing with fire on Nvidia. Though I say like in the worst case it's just like a little trade, but not really have to be wrong. We make it higher higher and lower low. So does the tape have the answer on that one? Let's see. When we print 20, we print 30. What do we have? Those guys are. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna be out of Nvidia. I think no. Okay. Let's see. I just say it. I'm selling like that. Selling comes right away. Yeah, I'm out of Nvidia. As I say, I know I was playing with fire on that one.
You were going short, correct?
Yeah, for sure. And like, it's okay. As long as you know. So what is PLTR doing? PLTR, I want to see the interaction of the 78. Though right now we are kind of going higher and higher, so like yeah. Okay, what happened when we interact with 78?
Okay, now we've got a healthy tape a little bit there for NVIDIA. Because, come on. That's taking forever. We're watching water boil here.
I don't know if I want to add to this name or not.
Not doing anything. Tesla seems to be double wicking a bottom there.
So I put an order to add on PLTR. Let's see if I can average it at the VWAP. And averaging the short at the VWAP, pretty much. I think it makes sense. So what was that one?
Tesla seems to have a double bottom there.
Yeah, but it's trading below the 40 420. So it's not looking cute, I will say. Come on, PLTR. PLTR just gave me the extra shares.
Oh.
Right there. Yeah. Should I be okay there? Let's see. So. Yeah, maybe I'm adding too aggressive on that one, but let's see, 79. Nvidia is just taking off.
150, we've got a position of almost 1,000.
It's funny, now you say that like I say it.
It's the best way to say it.
Sure. That will be debatable. Okay, So do your observations. So Nvidia, I'm glad I came out of that short. That makes no sense. PLTR for sure is another story. So we have the Hopper volume right there. So yeah, my stop loss on PLTR is 78.82. Might be wrong stop loss, but we will see. So it's just going crazy. It's going higher and higher.
I took the short on PLTR.
Nice.
The same stop loss as you.
Cool. Yeah, my stop loss there is not the best. Just to let you know the gap. The reason why I have that stop loss is because it's like 50 cents from my entry, about.
Whoa, check Nvidia.
Yeah, Nvidia. The SPY is pulling back as well too. Yeah. So observation, the relative strength. Yeah, PLTR keep popping up the VWAP, so I don't think it's gonna be holding the VWAP, though in PLTR it's a little bit hard to determine, if you will, because we did held the VWAP decently before. So I still will believe in the short, let's say. I'm gonna hold my stop loss tight there, and if you get me out, you get me out, and I think it's the right thing to do. I don't have such a bad entry, so I shouldn't be concerned about that. So then we go Nvidia. Nvidia, like what happened with Nvidia is that what I want to take on Nvidia is a long. And for me to
I don't like the way it's reacting there.
yeah, like, but it's like I want to show you because it's like I know I keep commenting on this. Like, you say, why did you short Nvidia? Before when I short
Look at
Nvidia
the
here,
volume, yeah.
that was not there, so it was just like that. So you see the size of that candle compared to this
Huge.
is extreme.
It's extreme. Huge.
So like once you find another like that, but like, hey, you see, like this is one of those times where that thing didn't work, because what it did, it break through. So like today Nvidia is so strong that like if I am able to get like 149.20 maybe, I will be interested to take the long. So what is RSP? RSP is looking okay. Yeah, PLTR coming back up again. Let's see at the 1 minute how that is looking like. Okay. Nvidia having a bunch of selling pressure at that 150. Nvidia like 150, very heavy. I know we are trading. Yeah, look at that whack. You just get you saw
It
that
didn't
smack?
even got to 150.
Like,
It didn't even get to 150, did
well,
it?
yeah, it already traded above 150 today.
Oh yes, but I mean, it
But, like,
didn't get to the order.
No, in that one, like that was a little bit too aggressive, I guess. So, but look at how it just come back up, and it is fighting for it. So, yeah. Okay, so I hope it doesn't lose the 150 because like maybe if you lose the 150, it's gonna be
Yeah, there's a big position on 149.50. And then there's, so we'll see.
yeah. So
SPY now interacting with the top range for at 597.95. Tesla at the view up.
mhm. Yeah, that Tesla is okay. Yeah.
Ha! What just happened?
What was that? Nvidia?
Nvidia just got me out.
Oh, Nvidia flushed it. Yeah. It's okay.
No way. It's okay. Okay,
Yeah, because,
149. Huge position at 149.
To be honest, I'm happy with myself in the fact that I didn't jump on it. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, it's like
Mhm.
today I find I'm a little bit more aligned with the market. I like, but SPY is like, oof, like this is part of the problem I face every day. Like I mean, like I am shorting PLTR because it's relatively weak. Like I mean, this is a VWAP in the 5 minute. We hold quite well here for sure. This is Friday, so we went up like everything like, but then after the pre-market, it never held the VWAP, and then like at 7 a.m. this morning he tried, couldn't go too much above from it, so and like now it's just rejecting it. So I like what I am saying here. Like if you take, let's say, if you take this move here that PLTR put, Nvidia put pretty much Nvidia, SPY, all of them. Like look at SPY. SPY. This is Friday. So Friday here, very nice push up, far from the VWAP. Then we take Nvidia. Kind of like what I'm saying here. When they went away from the VWAP Friday, they never looked back. Nothing touched the VWAP after it went away at around like 10:30, 11. So, and what happened with PLTR? It was just a market close, and then it was trading below the VWAP. So PLTR is relatively weak compared to the rest of the stocks. Do I sleep on it? I shouldn't sleep on it because it's like it did trade above the VWAP for a little bit this morning, and too much VWAP talking, I guess. So yeah, let's see if he's holding, if he's going to be holding the 78. Very important level there. Like the sizes were at 78 and at 79. So 79. There we go. But he's not holding the 78, at least not for now. So then we have Nvidia again.
So we've got SPY. It actually did.
Yeah, it's making higher highs.
And right now, he still seems to have some strength.
Yeah, SPY is very strong. I know you are better informed than me on this, but like about the how does it work? Like for example, today, like last week, I thought that Donald Trump was going to go to office today.
It's supposed to, January
It's supposed
6th.
So, but he stayed there and he worked, and that's it. Like, he just take over from today, or is something? It's a formality today, and then in the 20th, he really take.
Today, yes, today it's the confirmation of
Okay.
that they're going to say, yes, we confirm these votes, this position. And the speaker will be saying that, yes, the new president is. So that's what Donald Trump last year tried to stop,
Okay.
the confirmation of the vote.
Okay.
So it's a big deal.
Yeah.
But it's obviously, Biden already told him that it was
Yeah,
going
that it
to
was
be
going to
very
be peaceful.
peaceful. Obviously not like any other. So
Treat the others as you would like to be treated.
mm, that only works for some people.
Hi, Papi. Nvidia went above the 150 one more time. And I don't know if it's gonna be holding. This is looking not good.
No.
You see, he did a sketchy thing that he was doing in that tape there.
Agreed.
If it like now, if it goes sideways, it's not good.
No.
Ideally, he fight for it right away. And okay, let's see, 150. I don't want to see you just trading at 150. I want you to go up
Mm-hmm. And go above there.
and clear that because, like, it's insane. It's like I mean, Zach, do you still have the PLTR?
150.
Yes, I do.
Nice. How is that looking for your volume profile or your tools? Like, how does that look for you? Like, does it look strongly short, or like, what is your take on that?
Where I shorted it was at 78.50.
Mm-hmm.
It's one of my range, and it's like between two ranges right now. So.
Okay.
And in the stochastic standpoint, it should go up a bit before going down.
Okay.
Like we already did the down
Let's
cycle
go.
on the stochastic. Now it's doing the up cycle.
Okay.
If it stay within the 78.68, it should be good.
Understood. Yeah, the tape. Trying to see that 65, 78, 65. Took a little short on Nvidia. I guess it won't be able to pierce it. Yeah, Nvidia is not looking good, as I say. Not for the long, temporarily. So if I go to the VWAP, hey, happy. That's a trade.
Hello, Moto.
Whoever it is calling the wrong person, apparently.
I added on field.
Yeah, like. And that one I have a full position already, so. Yeah, Nvidia. So you see this behavior here, Marie?
Mm-hmm.
That has some value. We saw it last week,
Okay.
and we saw it again today. And like what happened after, kind of tell you like yes, it can go back up in there, but it'll do like a cat thing.
Cat ears.
Yeah, like a cat ears, and like but look how it's looking here. As it's looking as flushy here, so maybe he won't even have the power to do that one more time. But we are like it's an important level, so you don't sleep on that. Like you have to have your stop loss if you're gonna be going short in there. So, but like that's what we saw last week. That after that, he was not trading that good above there. Like this is how a rejection looks like in this spectrum.
Okay.
Let's see if you,
GLPR is really not in correlation with SPY.
no.
Maybe way weaker.
Yeah, it's on its own compared to SPY. But I guess SPY is running into trouble as well. Because if you see like SPY have been trying to make higher highs, but zero momentum above there. And of course I won't be too hard on that one because like I have two shorts right now, so if SPY doesn't ease,
Yeah, SPY right now, it's got a strong RSI and it's crossing the top range. I kept my Nvidia, it didn't kick me out. Now it's printing above 150, I like that a lot.
I keep it here to see if he does the cat ears. Just-
Another cat ear.
Heavy selling at that 50. Now it's going back up. Yeah, I think we shouldn't underestimate who is selling at 150 because seems to be a lot. So if I do my observations correctly, I shouldn't be having any shorts,
So SPY,
and I have two shorts. So
oof.
SPY.
Woo. Let's go Nvidia. Okay, 150.50 is a big position on Nvidia.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, the 150.50, there's a healthy stack to about 150.75.
Yeah, I got out of Nvidia. Let's see. Yeah.
Okay, 150.50 now. Found some sellers there. Tape is accelerating. SPY is pushing. Holding 150.
Yeah, that PLTI is looking different now. Especially because he managed to hold the 78.
What does that tape look at? Okay, 151's got a big position. Ooh, 151, 47's got 447. Almost a 500 lot.
Yeah, Nvidia.
SPY is above. Top of the range.
Let's put PLTR here.
150.50. I like the fact that it's holding that. SPY's got good volume in the buyers. Nvidia printing and holding
Yeah.
150.60. 151 as still 148 and 151. Yeah, 151's got 160 and then 147 and phew, almost 500.
Hey. You song of your mom. It's gonna be very fun to look at Nvidia, but it's okay. I just shouldn't be jumping on it, and I won't be jumping on it. So as I say, it's a long. But the flushes that we see at 150 and at 150.50, they are not nice.
No.
Like if you are long, it will pretty much shake you out, depending on what price you got it for sure. But like, if you were going long at 150, you're gonna be sweating. SPY took a decent pullback right there.
Re-entered. Okay, Nvidia reprinting 150.60, 70 tape acceleration. SPY, what a wick. Okay, SPY again above and another big wick.
Nvidia 151.90. Oof. Ay. Good for you, my guy. Good for you.
$1.50 in the money for Nvidia.
Yeah, with that type of price action, I think it's look how the 151 look in there. Not saying that it has much relevance because like doesn't matter what size we have been seeing. You just go through and go through.
There's a huge stack, right? 151.
Like,
but there's a position. 151 is big, but then there's 151.24 and 151.47 now. It's 451.
ooh. That was interesting. Look at the snap. It cut through like nothing. Yeah, PLTR got me out. So let's see. Do I want to retry PLTR at 149? At 79, sorry. I have to think fast on that one because I don't want to miss it. Yeah.
Nvidia, $1.80. Okay, big position, 152 Nvidia.
I guess SPY is flying again.
Mm-hmm. So we had big levels in SPY, 599 last, this was Friday, 599.23 and 599.60. We'll see what happens there.
Okay, I retook the PLTR just a little bit higher. As I said before, like
SPY still pushing.
maybe my last short attempt on PLTR. Have a little bit more shares in that one, as it is a better price. So Nvidia, what I stock today? Okay. Were you trying to tell me something?
No.
No? Did I push you?
No.
Okay. A and D. Yeah, let's see.
SPY pulled back a little bit to the top of the range.
So observations, let's say. Relative strength. Nvidia. Yeah. Act. Opposite. Volume price. Nvidia opposite as well. Yeah. Opposite. Forward vision. Nvidia. Very good. So correlation was very good in that one. On BTA compared to the indexes. So, what are you trading, Marie?
Nvidia and RR.
RR. Yeah, RR.
So RR, I went switchy on RR, which I didn't like. I had that level that we put in this morning, which was a level of 450. It's at that level, and I've been switching short and long at that level. So a little bit testing there, but I want to see how it's going to be reacting. I've got Nvidia that's printing beautifully right now,
Nice.
but I'm trading RR. QSI, I did well, walked away, but I could have stayed in. Left some money on the table for that for sure.
QSI.
Mm-hmm.
Understood.
But that's okay. At least I didn't. Qubits, left some money on the table there too, and that's okay. We need to get a little bit more refined. Okay, so Nvidia. Is it going to be consolidating there? So we've got SPY.
Amazon.
I'm going to be doing a little bit of tape reading there
For Nvidia.
on Nvidia, yeah.
Yeah, like the Nvidia.
Be disciplined, my girl.
Very nice.
Here comes the money, money, money.
Jala jala. Yeah.
Be disciplined.
Like something I find too, like for example, in my case, I'm trying to follow my rules, like
Okay.
all my rules according to how I normally prefer to trade. And like, if I take those rules a little bit more tight, I wouldn't take the short on Nvidia. Like those shorts, like they go totally against my. I mean, like totally against like. Uh, Maybe that's an exaggeration, but what I'm trying to say here, like those shorts, they don't look that good. Like I could be penalized for myself. Like I could say, oh, you know what? In here you were kind of against your plan in those two shorts, but they were very very small, and they were very small because I knew that I was going against the trend. So
Okay.
it's okay-ish, but then we have only the two shorts in PLTR, and the second one, like, this is just one trade. I know it look a little bit messed up because I did a hotkey mistake here,
Okay.
but I went short here, took partial. By mistake, got everything out, but then I reshorted pretty much at a better price. Then add to the short and got out here. This is like a 1 hour lost. Then I reshorted at around the 79 because I think it's a decent price. This one, this second trade here, this second short here, is okay, but doesn't meet the same quality than the one I took closer to the VWAP. But all this to be said, it's just to like the only thing I want to illustrate here is that I will take way less trade if I follow my rules 100%. Why? Well, PLTR is holding the VWAP respectfully. Like, I mean, it doesn't look like a loan to me because it kind of, it's a little bit weaker compared to Nvidia, compared to SPY. So I don't want to take a loan in Nvidia, in PLTR, sorry. So, but if I want to take the short, I'm gonna have to follow my rules. I'm gonna have to wait for one of those 5-minute candle to get under a little bit more stress, because right now we are pumping higher highs, very clean. So yeah, so it's just an interesting observation because I find that, like, hey, your trigger gets slowed down when you really follow your rules.
True. You don't get as, yeah, I agree. I agree. That is a very, very strong observation.
What's up?
What's up?
Yeah, Larry saying hello, good morning in the.
Good morning.
How are you doing? Good, good. Freezing. Oh, but I think Zach is sleeping. Zach,
Hey,
you there?
I got the thought of PLTR, so
You got what?
like stepping out at the same time of PLTR than you.
Okay.
So I'm trying to. Right now I'm done for the day.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure out their live account again.
Oh yeah, that's still giving you trouble.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I'm passing order and it seems like I don't have the margin.
Okay.
I need to figure that out.
As I say, like they can last like 5 days, 7 days, easy.
They say that they approved me.
Yeah, yeah, but like what I mean, the
They
change,
sent order.
Especially during the
Like-
holidays.
they approve you, but the change to be done in the account, is what lasts the time.
And I see my buying power 2 times.
Okay.
I cannot pass the order with that buying power.
Understood. The PLTR, you're gonna get a little bit more flushy now.
Hey, NVIDIA.
You see now, I will, like, that will be now technically correct.
Look at that's NVIDIA, right? Look at
Yeah, that's
the
NVIDIA.
wall moving up.
Yeah. As I say, if you were trying to go short on NVIDIA, it's like I mean, if you were going long, even like that, you would get
Mm-hmm.
some pressure toward the selling.
Yeah.
SPY is looking still okay, but like, what is the 1 minute looking like on SPY? Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely that price action is slowing down a little bit.
NVIDIA, $2.
Very nice.
$152 is huge now on NVIDIA. What acceleration on that tape? Unreadable.
Which one?
NVIDIA.
NVIDIA, yeah. That's why, like, sometimes it's better, like, to jump with the strength. Like, from the time I was arguing with the price, let's say,
Yeah, you were.
is
And you saw it long from the beginning.
is
Very strong.
$2 ahead already. Yeah, no, but like,
Your call was dead on. You always saw it as very strong.
yeah, it's just like, yeah, maybe that's part of the rules we have to implement. Like, because as I say, the shorts were just like small. So, yeah, a loss of time, I would guess it was. So, I mean, like, now that I think about a little bit better about it.
What you mean a loss of time?
Yeah, because like if I am convinced that it's such a strong stock,
Mm-hmm.
like to scalp a short, willing to wait for it, like the energy I'm putting into short to take a scalp,
I know
it's
what
a
you
waste that you better use that energy to find a better entry, just a safe entry.
Well said. Yeah, that
So,
makes sense. No,
Like
that makes
instead
sense.
of you flipping when you are convinced that it's a long, just like, hey, the time that you're gonna use for you to scalp a short, use it for you to get a better entry. So it's like PLTR, I don't know what it's doing there. Like that candle have 50 seconds to die. It put a very nice low. I don't think it's gonna be putting a very nice high, but let's see. Not overly convinced about that short neither. Especially like, but today, if I have to say if I have to say who's feeding who, like Nvidia might be one of those guys that is one of those stocks that is pushing the market higher and higher.
Absolutely, I agree with that.
So
Though SPY right now seems to be ahead of Nvidia.
well, we say that. Did you look at the RSP? The RSP is not looking. That's the RSP, and this is a SPY. So
Okay, RSP is looking like Nvidia.
you sure about that?
Here comes the money. Money, money,
C'est Marie. Very nice.
Okay, so the market's still pushing.
Yeah.
I've got a short on RR. I would like to take completely out my position at 4. We'll see.
Yeah, when you were talking about the RR, I was going to ask you like if you were long short, because to me it was looking short.
Mm-hmm. And you would
Like
have
if
been
you see we
correct.
draw those lines here, and like when you talked to me about it first time, it was rejecting the 470, 470, 466. So did you get out of RR?
No.
No, because it's flushing.
Yubber. It's a short. I wanted to get out completely at 4.
Okay.
We'll see if it's going to offer 4, but. We definitely found some buyers there.
Yeah, and that like a PLTR, it's making higher highs. So like I have my stop loss in front of the big guy because there's a big guy at 79.50.
Okay.
So but to be honest, the way it's looking, I wouldn't even like it to go there. So for that, we're gonna need the market to spike, ideally, to pull back a little bit better. Nvidia is trading at 151.40. So let's see if we want to do anything with Nvidia. Yeah, like maybe 151 makes sense.
151?
Yeah, for the long. You see the sizes?
Yeah.
So
SPY seems to be stuck a little bit there.
yeah, like last time SPY tried to put a lower low in the 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
It wasn't able, but now it is doing it. So let's see. Yeah, definitely decelerating a little bit there. That candle is very new. So last time it did a push like that, it just went back up right away.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if you see, pretty much Nvidia is not even trying to go down from the 150, 120. I got out of PLTR. Very nice, Marie.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
So I'm gonna try to build up a position on Nvidia instead of just like I say, I want 151. So let's say we buy 151. Yeah, let's say I got a little bit of Nvidia there. I want to see it pulling back to the 151. So okay, it's pulling back down to the 151. I could add at the 151 if that makes sense. Do you still have Nvidia?
Yo. I'd like to reload, but not a whole lot of pullback there.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, like PLTR. Yeah, very nice PLTR going back up. So
PLTR. A short at 80 looks interesting.
PLTR.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, definitely.
Mm-hmm.
But for me to go back to PLTR, I'm gonna have to wait for a little bit more confirmation, maybe. So the chili is already there, pretty much. Do you have any big order at 80?
Of PLTR?
Yeah.
Yep. I had a big order.
Yeah, like the 1,200, almost 300.
Exactly. So that's ginormous. Not much after that, right? So that seems to be a. Then there's 80, 80, 20. So I'm
Yeah.
interested to see how it's going to react there, and I might be taking a little bite on the short. We will see. The market seems to be consolidating a little bit here. It's interacting with the top of the range.
Okay.
Okay, market SPY is at the top of the range, of the opening range. We'll see what it happens there. Mr. DV,
Yeah.
I will need to take a little break.
Okay. We're gonna take a break. Okay, we are back. So SPY is like struggling right there.
Yep, top of the range, right? So we knew it was going to be a little bit of a, but you're right. Though we did have a good volume here on that candle. Where's Spider? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think Palantir went to those 80s, as you just say.
Palantir, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, so it's going to be close to it. Look at that position. Jeez. So nothing has changed, at least on the tape, right? So we know we've got a stack going to the 80s.
Mm-hmm.
But after that, what's going to happen? There's not a whole lot after, right? We've got 80-20, so yeah, I'm interested to see. What am I going to do there? Okay, Nvidia, $1.50 back. Nice. I reloaded on that pullback. We'll see how that's going to go.
Yeah, it's let's see. Palantir, I don't think Palantir is gonna go too far from there now. Like maybe the 80s is the best case scenario. So okay, so that's Palantir. So let's see SPY again. So SPY pushing back up right away. It's incredible how,
Super strong.
yeah. So Nvidia. What can we really go with Nvidia? Yeah, I'm okay with Nvidia.
Did Palantir hit the 80?
No, he's pulling back already, and he didn't hit the 80s.
So is it going to repel? It's such a big order.
Yeah, it went. The height of that is 79.80. So he came back from like 20 cents, 19 cents. So yeah, that's looking good there, I guess. So for Palantir, I guess I'm talking about.
Mm-hmm. To see if it's going to reverse from there, right?
Yeah, well, it is trying to do that from already a couple minutes. So like, but the relative strength in that stock is already very strong right now. Actually, to be honest.
Mm-hmm. Nvidia is really doing well. So I'm a little bit in your situation. So when you talked a little earlier, so I've got Nvidia that's long, and I've got QSI that's short. So
Yeah, but the QSI, I'll eat QSI. Okay.
QSI is short, and I've got Nvidia long. And they're both printing.
Nice. Yeah, and Nvidia, I don't know for like. I know it's not the best price, but. The AMD pop, yeah, it went down. So AMD was a different story.
Mara. Blech.
Ay.
Ugh. Quite a range, eh?
Yeah. Looking very funny.
Mm-hmm.
Testa.
Okay, so tapes have been changing on NVIDIA, just heads up. So the tape here on NVIDIA, we still have 15160, 15158. Both of them together, they accumulate to over 600. Now, we've got 15175 that's got almost 200, and 15177, and then 80. But we've got a big position at 151 that's quite significant, and 151 and one, if you could calculate 151 and then 151.05, it's over 500. So it could be a pullback to there to survive. I'm under that price, but am I going to want to leave that? Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, Nvidia is finally pulling back.
A little bit. SPY as well. So SPY is pulling back. The RSI is pulled back on SPY as well. And if we're looking at, look at the CVD with the buyers and sellers. There seems to be a battle right there. Okay, so SPY still trading above the range.
Hold it.
PLTR approaching the 80. Pushing back up to the 80. What's it going to do? When it goes to... Okay, NVIDIA now pushing through the 151. We've got 90, 91. I like it. Okay, what are you going to do, QSI? You found some buyers there, right? NVIDIA approaching 152. 152 is a huge position. The position is, oh geez, and there's a stack as well. So 152 plus the stack is almost 500. Is that going to be a pull? Did it even get to there? Acceleration on the tape. SPY is pushing through the top, the high of the day. Are you trading anything, Davey?
Yeah, I have a SPY on PLTR. SPY no, Nvidia and PLTR. Doing good on Nvidia, but doing bad on PLTR. Bad, like I mean, I want to see the print at 80. We went 80 now. So we went 80. What is, let's see, I need to check that out. That's 80, 80.06. Yeah, this interaction here is what I have to do better. Like, yeah.
I'm checking the tape on NVIDIA, and it seems like it wants to push through to 152. It's holding very, very well. And SPY seems to be wanting to do the same and push through the 599. We will see who's feeding who.
You see that stacking? That's Nvidia.
The 152.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's what I was saying. So we'll see what's going to go after, because they're stacking after. That continues to almost 152.35.
Yeah, and I think if the 150 didn't hold it back, the 152 may not hold it back neither.
Don't think so?
Well,
Well, it didn't print. The 152, the big guy, the big position of 400 plus, did not print at 152 yet.
you sure?
Yeah, I still have it here, 435. So why did it not print? Did it
When-
reload?
It went 151.99.
It did not get it. So it's still there and it's still loading. It's still building.
What
At
size do you have on it?
152, I've got 437. I went 438 and
Yeah.
climbing
Yeah.
and climbing.
That's not that big for today. So for the like we are talking about at this time, you have put already 107 million, 107 million. So it should go through there.
You think so?
I think so.
Oh, look at that PLTR at the 80, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Still 79.99 is still there.
Yeah, it pierced it by 6 cents.
79.99 still there at 118. Nice QSI. So QSI, my short's working well. 400 is still there as a big position, and we will see. Oh, at $4, if what it's going to do. It's approaching the $4. There's a position there at 4 that's ginormous. Is it going to pierce through? Okay,
And
Nvidia, let's go.
One concern I have is when SPY pull back, I think the pullback is not going to be pretty.
Agreed.
Because yes, it have been putting higher highs, but it's struggling. The way it's doing is like by like a couple cents above, and then yeah.
Okay, so right now I'm monitoring QSI.
Dumbo, come on, Dumbo, do better, my guy. Yeah. Yeah. So
Okay, I don't like the fact that Nvidia is not holding the 150, 180. Didn't hold. Okay, reprinting 70. That's a good sign. Looking at the tape, yeah, there's a good stack. 152 still there, still above 400, and we still have a good stack to almost 152.35. I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to monitor. There we go. Okay, so now QSI is at the 4. What you going to do?
yeah, like your size.
That was a beautiful short.
I like
that.
what
So-
was the other RRR?
RRR, yeah, I did.
I think you came too early out of that one.
Yeah, absolutely, because R&R. Oh, no, look where I came out.
Okay.
It went back up and now it's right there again. So, QSI, nicely done going through. Okay, look at that stack going through 370. Look at that print. Woo!
Yeah.
I like that stack.
Now it's time for PLTR to start printing.
Okay, for the short, it reversed. At the
I
80?
keep the short from whatever I was.
Oh, it didn't get you out.
No.
Nice. Nice stack there. Let's see. Don't want to have too much buyers here for QSI. That's just a smoky move. Yeah, no, you didn't flip.
Yeah, Nvidia is low, but it's coming down. I don't think it's gonna go too low, but what is the SPY doing?
So SPY is still struggling right there. So the 5.9, it lost to 5.99.
Yeah, now PLTR is really going.
SPY pulling back.
Yeah, it's okay. So let's see. So Nvidia.
We've got more selling to do, QSI. Come on. There we go. Nice. Okay, so we've got SPY that is pulling back. But Nvidia, not so much. SPY is still above the range. Good stack, 370 should be. How's your trade doing, Divi?
They are doing good, both of them.
Nice.
Yeah, you just have to, like, I'm going around to see, like, if I took the best ideas and basically, like, yeah, like, I should be. It's okay. It's just an observation point, but like I should be going like ignoring the shorts today. That was quite clear.
Okay.
But hey, it's okay. Just like I think I'm right on the PLTR short. It's just that it's gonna take too long. Like I mean, for the like yes, there is selling going on there, and it's like significant, I will say. So, but like none of the loans on Nvidia will be wrong. Like I mean, just yeah, to diversify for the day trading.
Okay.
So it's gonna work at the end of the day, but looks like, but not the best idea to do.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Yalla.
I said I was going to get out at 3:85. I know I'm getting out maybe a little early on QSI, but really good trade for QSI short. Happy with that. Nvidia, I'm still holding, but it's not doing lots. The 152, the position at 152 is still there.
Let's see a spy.
SPY's consolidating a bit, eh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I have been in the upper range a long ago.
SPY's caught a little bit there.
Did you look at Apple?
No.
Very beautiful the way it's like
Oy, 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 eh? That's beautiful, yeah. That's a nice little. Okay, so SPY is really equal.
that's Nvidia.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking though the battle here, the volume, RSI. SPY is almost at the doji. Are you trading anything, Zach?
figure out the thing for the
Your account?
live trading.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so see. Uh, 5 minutes.
Okay, SPY re-entered sprinting 599 again.
Nvidia skyrocketing. Mhm. So that volume goes away definitely. The latest we are.
Okay, so SPY wants to cross and make a new high.
Yeah, SPY. It's a triple top for now.
Mm-hmm. Is it where it's gonna pull back?
Interesting. So like that makes more sense. Now we are talking. We have both position printing in both directions. So that's good. That's good.
So now we've got SPY reprinting and holding. Ooh. I think buyers are losing a little bit of momentum there.
On Nvidia? Or on SPY?
On SPY.
Like the 152, look at the 152 on Nvidia. That stacking on Nvidia 152 is,
It's great,
yeah.
right?
And you go 151, 40, 99.
It still didn't, right?
You haven't, I think it didn't print. Like I know it went 99, but 99. Yeah. Yes, it did print it. It did print it, but
152? No.
yeah, yeah.
It's still there.
Look at that. This is a candle height.
152 is still there, David.
Yeah, but I know the order is there.
Yeah.
But the price was
Now it's going
Okay.
to there.
Are you still holding your Nvidia, Andrew?
Yes. I was able to take NVIDIA. Wait, I took 1, 2, 3 partial reloaded ones. So now I'm still $1.90 in the money.
Technically, you are more than $1.90 because
Yes,
when you
because I
average it,
reloaded.
yeah.
Because of my reload. But when I came in to NVIDIA, yeah, I got the price at 149, 148.88. So yeah, technically I would be almost $4.
very nice.
Thank you.
I'm currently talking to someone live
Mm-hmm.
from the direct broker.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Okay, SPY still $3.99.
Did you see what Nvidia did there?
Okay, and here we go. SPY pushing, Nvidia crossing. I Boppy.
Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy.
Tesla did not hold a view up.
No, it was very weak last time I looked at it. Oh yeah. It's,
Okay, so qubits is about to the big
that's-
level we were
Yeah, the
talking
$9.
about. Yeah, I'm gonna monitor that. That looks interesting. That looks interesting. PLTR interacting with the VWAP.
yeah, I'm planning to add more on PLTR. Because,
That short's working well, eh?
yeah. But, yeah, now everything took a little wagon there.
Mm-hmm. So Nvidia, yes, did take a pull, but the market is still not. It's still reprinting $5.99. What is going to happen there? Nvidia pulling back. Did the tape change? So for Nvidia, we still have. Okay, so the 452. Are you gone, buddy? Yep. He's jump ship. So the 152 jump ship. So now we've got the biggest position is 150 at 307.
Be careful because the fact that he's gone
Mm-hmm.
and the price didn't pull back that much.
So 152. We've got 173 now. It's not as big as a position. 152.10. We've got a stack right there that goes to 35. We'll see what's going to happen. So right now, Nvidia is interacting with the 50. And there is a big position there at the 50. And let's see what's going to happen. Are you going to find some buyers? SPY reprinting $5.99. Oh, look at you, Nvidia. Reprinting 150, 180.
Yeah, if you see there is a big order at 151,
Mm-hmm.
and there is some participant running in front at 151. The big participant is at 151.50,
Okay.
and the front running is at 151.60. And there we go. Look at the push. That's on Nvidia.
Are you kidding me? Jeez Louise. Market is going through the 5.99. Okay, printing 599.40. Okay, SPY is holding. There's a big position at 600 for SPY. That's almost, what the heck? Why are you so, it's almost, for SPY 100, it's over 160.
Yeah, I put an order to take some partial at 152 on Nvidia,
I like.
and yeah, PLTR finally going. Come on, Nvidia, give me that partial. Yeah.
Golden Boogle. Pleasure of life.
Yeah. I kind of don't like the acceleration that we see there.
No, SPY is holding the 599, but Nvidia still has a big position building and a stack going past 152. It starts at 151.80 for
Yeah.
Nvidia.
Hmm.
SPY is still at 599.
Ah, man. Are you gonna go out of that, Nvidia?
You went out?
Yeah. I add to PLTR. I know I average my price badly.
By adding?
Yeah, but yeah, it's yeah.
What?
Is the SPY gonna be finally pulling back?
Not convinced of that.
Is that your touching?
No. You like the aroma?
Come on, PLTR, do your thing.
Okay, so I've got price compression here on QSI. It's either going to take off big and I'm long, or it's going to tank and I'll be out. I'm betting on the long. It's very close. I feel it.
Yeah, that timing is very important because in my case, like, it's I hesitate too long in Nvidia, let's say,
Okay?
and yeah. Very bad trading for the Nvidia. Like, I mean, bad in the matter of, so like, I came out just because I was expecting a SPY to pull down even heavier, and now it's like, it's not doing it, you know.
Mm-hmm. Well, the position at 600 on SPY is still ginormous. And the reason that we are, so we've got, imagine this, okay? So we've got a big position at 600, and we've got the same position almost at 598, 99, 598, 98, 99, and 599. So is it normal? It's got, and QSI is doing it. Yeah.
You're long QSI?
Yeah. I front run it 3 cents for the long. I switched because I did really good on QSI short, but then I flipped my position around 4, got out, front run. I went in at 398 and for long because I wanted to go in at 4, but I really liked what the tape was doing, so I did a little head. And it's
Cool.
back to here. Look at SPY. Okay, so now where are you going to go though? Because I can't see QSI going back to the VWAP. You know what, I'm going to break even. I don't want to lose you. Okay, so SPY. Ooh, boy.
Yeah, like I see PLTR easily breaking the low of the day,
Okay?
but like what I did wrong there is like I hesitate to add to it.
Okay. NVIDIA soon to enter the stack. And the stack crosses 152. So we'll see what's going to happen. It did not touch the stack. Oh. And there's a stack. It doesn't push the price.
Come on, PLTR, do your things.
I don't like how Nvidia's reacting to this. Let's see. It's entered. Now it's full in the stack. Price acceleration. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Yeah, very, very annoying. So I think we need to start saying
Oh,
bye.
yeah.
It's time for us to finish the streaming. So, yeah, for my side, a little bit of poor management, but hey, definitely better than the other days. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep this PLTR. It's printing very well, but like I need to let it go. I think it's gonna go way lower. So yeah, hesitate too much into jump into Nvidia when it was so obvious. So yeah, that's it for me. SPY definitely pumping up. Very strong market. What about you, Marie?
Really good day trading. Nvidia, definitely one of the best trade there, but my top trade was QSI short. So QSI short, I took it at the VWAP. So I took QSI long. So QSI was a good trade for me all around. I took QSI long, and when I took QSI, it was at 380, no, 395. I took it long. I got out not at the top, sadly, at 450, but then I took it back short at the VWAP, printed very well. So QSI was my number one. Nvidia was my number two trade. R&R, I did well on the short, but got super smoked on the long. So I'm glad I flipped there because I kept seeing it long. So I went long 3 times there, and then I finally flipped when it went back up and pulled back from the VWAP and printed well too. So that was a good trade for me. R&R short, but really more for the long.
Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
What about you, Zach? Anything to add?
I did kind of poor today, but missed like every time I was predicting it, he missed my order by like 10 cents.
Oh,
Yeah.
Bit of
that
unlucky,
sucks.
and I took a lot of loss on TLTR.
But that was not your fault because you were not able to execute properly.
Mm-hmm. Because of your account. Let's hope you fix everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least I'm not like in the live right now.
Okay. Understood.
There's an effect.
Okay, so that's gonna be everything for today. I hope everybody have a good day. Yeah, we're gonna be here back tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.